And so Molly and I like to power walk every day. She will usually get a mile in the morning and a mile in the afternoon. I'll warm up with her little legs, but she does so good. And sometimes she likes to run, and she'll do that for a while. But she's a good walking partner. And then I'll go on and do usually 3 more miles after I get finished putting her back on the porch after she does her mile in the morning, and then we'll repeat that in the afternoon. So 2 miles a day, right, Molly, for you, and about 6 to sometimes more for me. It just depends. We always got to stop and let her sniff the hay. Something about the hay bales. She loves the smell. So it looks like my corabelles and hostas are coming back. Everything is beginning to look really pretty. This is on the back side of my house. And the marigolds, I'll put some in a pot. Thought that looked pretty. Some purslane. It should be really pretty. It should be orange when it blooms. And then this is on the north side of my house. Got a little flower bed there. On my porch, I've got a lot of succulents. I'm a succulent fanatic, and so I've got them everywhere. I've always loved them. I don't know what it is about a succulent. That plant probably needs to go see my mama. She seems to do better with flowers and me with plants. I don't know what the deal is. So I love ferns. There's some more succulents. My azalea bush is bloomed. I have one on both ends. The other one was a really pretty dark red, but it's already lost its flowers, so I wish they'd bloom at the same time, but they don't. So everything's beginning to look really, really pretty. Welcome to Susie's Secret Recipes and Little Country Store. And so guys, I'm fixing to get in my kitchen and make Spanish chicken. Now it's a casserole that is very, very easy and very, very yummy. And if you're in a pinch and you need something really quick, then this is for you. So hang with me guys, and we'll get this show on the road. Now it's time to get started making our Spanish chicken. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get 2 cans of cream of chicken, put it into your bowl, just like that. All that good stuff in there, and then you can, you're going to use shredded chicken. So you can either boil your chicken, get like 2 chicken breasts, and boil it, or use like canned chicken. I've done both, so it just depends if you're in a hurry what you want to do. So just add that to your bowl, and then this is such a quick casserole to throw together. So, and it tastes really, really good. So for all you Mexican food lovers, this is a must in your household. Okay, so then you're going to want to add some onion, about a half a cup, or if you're in our family, you probably want to add a little bit more, and just stir that together. Okay, get it blended really good. And then we're going to add about 8 ounces of shredded cheese. And then mix it. Okay, so now you're going to want to add some Rotel. I mean, you can use mild, medium, or hot. I'm going to use my homemade hot. And just pour it inside, about a cup. Get that in there. And about a cup of salsa. So, or picante. You can use mild, medium, or hot. We're doing the hot. We like hot in our family, so we'll add that. Mix it. Okay, that looks just about right. And so now you're going to want to put it into your casserole dish. And you can use whatever size casserole. Usually a 9x13 is good, but this one's a little bit smaller, but that's okay. We don't care. We're not real picky. So put some chips on the bottom. I like to use the round for this casserole because it fits better. I want to put a couple of them, a few holes, and we don't want any holes. There we go. Okay, so now you're going to want to add your filling. Put it on top. And I probably have a little bit more because I didn't put it into a 9x13, but that's okay. It'll be just fine. And we'll spread it out. That looks real pretty. Once you've got your filling over your chips, the next thing you're going to want to do is put some more cheese. You can never have enough cheese. And just cover the top. This is a good casserole to take to a church function or just actually anything, any kind of event that you have to fix some food for. It's real quick and easy, and it tastes good. Okay, then you're going to want to take some green onion and just kind of sprinkle it over the top of it. And add to it, to the look of it. There we go. And then I'll sprinkle some chili powder on top, just a little bit. Okay. So the last thing you're going to want to do is line your casserole dish with chips. So we'll just kind of go like that, all the way around. Okay, there we go. You see, that took me no time to put that together. And you're going to want to put this into a preheated oven to 350 degrees and cook it for about 30 to 35 minutes or till it's hot in the center. And there you go. So I always enjoy looking at the flowers outside. I've got a lot of different kinds, and they tend to go around my house and my greenhouse. And so this is just some of them. I've got more around the greenhouse that it would take too long to show you all of them. But this is my raised bed. It's got flowers coming back. I'm not sure. I can't remember what I have in the one in the back, but I'll soon find out. And then I've got squash and zucchini coming up, and onions, and cucumbers are trying to poke their heads through the ground. You can just barely see them, but they're coming up as well. And then I've got 2 cherry tomatoes. And so in this raised bed, I've got about 65 pepper plants. I use a lot of varieties of peppers while I'm canning, especially for salsa and rotel. And I love the wheat. It's so pretty. And so there's the rest of my tomatoes. They're over by the wheat field. I've got about 60, mainly Romas. There's my first tomato of the year. That's a little Jet Star. But I do use a lot of tomatoes for my salsa, green tomato relish, and other things. And so I do a lot of canning during the summer. As you can see, there's some of it. So let's check on our Spanish chicken and see how it's doing.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, that looks good. Don't that look good? That's definitely a dish that you want to have in your household. So I'm going to try this. It's nice and warm. Very, very good. So guys, if you would like this recipe, then put it in the comments and I'll make sure that you get a copy of it. Otherwise, guys, I will see you next week with another episode of Susie's Secret Recipes. Happy trails.